Shasse from the Emirates, she says that a man who divorced his wife, he had so many bad things in him. He did not give her dowry. Throughout the years they were married, he never gave her any maintenance. He never supported her, and she had to pay for all of that. So can she sue him or have a court case against him while she's asking for her dowry to pay him, to pay her whatever she had paid for herself? The answer is definitely yes. This is an obligation upon him, that he pays for you whatever you need for your food, your housing, your clothing, etc. These are obligations upon him. And if he did not pay them, he was unable to do this, and you had to borrow, he is obliged to pay back all of this. And this does not fall out because of its 10 or 20 years ago. No, this is ongoing, and this is a debt, and you can ask for that without any problem.